Every premium chocolate bar begins its journey on tropical cocoa farms. Only perfectly ripe cocoa pods are selected by experienced farmers. Fresh beans are removed and prepared for fermentation.
After arriving at the factory, the beans are inspected, cleaned, roasted, and prepared for chocolate production. After arriving at the factory, the beans are inspected, cleaned, roasted, and prepared for chocolate production.
Grinding and precise blending create smooth, rich chocolate with its signature flavor.
Each chocolate bar is molded, cooled, inspected, and packaged to premium standards. From tropical cocoa farms to premium chocolate bars, every step combines craftsmanship, technology, and passion.